Hello, in this video we will show you how to set up a Routie Mini with your third-party device. In this demo, you will learn how to integrate the Mini with your current system so the captive portal is visible to your customers with your current hardware and access points. This demo is with Ubiquiti specifically. However, you can adapt similar steps for your network setup with other platforms. Kindly note that it is highly advisable to have an IT professional set up the instructions provided in the video for optimal results. Connecting your Routie Guest Wi-Fi to a Ubiquiti cloud key device is easy. All you need to do is connect the Mini to the Ubiquiti switch, then go to the networks in your Ubiquiti app and add a new network. For the purpose of this video, we will call the network Routie Guest, which we will assign with a VLAN number under the router button. First, set it as a VLAN only network. Then, set the VLAN number to the VLAN that is configured in your Mini. The default number is 252. Ensure to save. Then once the network is created, go to the Wi-Fi tab and create a new Wi-Fi access point. We will call this Routie Guest as well. Do not set a password. Next, go to the Network button and set that to use the Routie Guest network so that it opens the captive portal rather than just providing internet. Finally, go to the Security tab and set this to be an open network so that guests can connect without a password. Ensure to press Save, and the process is complete. Your Ubiquiti Cloud Key System is now integrated with your Routie Mini. Thank you for choosing Routie. Follow and subscribe to stay up to date. Make sure to connect with us on all our social channels, and we'll see you on the next video. If you have any questions, please contact Routie at routie.io.